Hi, so I'm gonna show you how to use Audio2Doc YouTube Chatbot extension. So yeah, you need to install the extension to your Chrome browser. Okay. Then you need a secret key. In order to get the secret key, you can generate the secret key here on the Audio2Doc.app. So generate it and copy and save it here. Okay, and then jump onto the YouTube. So you can see this sidebar. You can ask questions here. Please make a list of the libraries he mentions. Yep, there you go. And then like if you want to hide this sidebar, you can just click this close button. So it's gonna be so small here. Yep. Thanks.